How to Score 90+ Marks in Board Exams by Amit Sir. Board exams test discipline, consistency, and mindset, not just knowledge. Many dream of scoring 90+, but few plan rightly. Let's learn how you can achieve it smartly. Consistency beats perfection. Success starts when you decide to be consistent. Not perfect, just consistent. Every top scorer studies daily with a plan, not by cramming all night. Top 7 practical tips for scoring 90+.
The top 7 smart study tips that every topper follows to score 90+ in exams. In this video, we will explore 7 effective study strategies that assist students in excelling and scoring above 90. Students are advised to start with their syllabus, highlighting the important chapters based on weightage and focusing on certain materials, which are essential for board exams. Planning a weekly timetable is recommended, studying 2 subjects per day for 2 hours each including 1 revision slot, while avoiding overloading the schedule. This method emphasizes active revision by writing and revising, making small summary notes, and using flashcards or flowcharts for quick recall. Students are encouraged to practice previous year papers and mock tests using a timer to simulate exam conditions, which helps improve speed and build confidence. To maintain focus, keep phones away during study sessions and use apps like Forest that help reduce distractions and enhance concentration. Focus on staying physically and mentally fit by eating healthy, taking short breaks, and ensuring at least 7 hours of sleep for better information retention. Confidence is presented as the biggest secret to success, reminding students that believing in themselves accounts for half their achievement. By following these 7 proven study tips consistently, you can excel in your exams and achieve a score of 90+. Struggling with effective exam preparation? Imagine having a structured plan that helps you excel from start to finish. A structured step-by-step study plan designed to help you score 90+ marks. Maximize your potential with clear guidance. How it works. Guide students through understanding their syllabus. Establishing a daily study routine. Conducting weekly self-tests. Preparing strategies for exam day. Builds confidence. Enhances time management. Increases likelihood of high scores. With Code Castles, you'll find organized study habits tailored to you. Reinforced knowledge through consistent reviews. Enhanced focus during exam preparation. Boosted confidence leads to better performance. Effective time management strategies. Higher chances of achieving your academic goals. Sound exciting?